All right, so this here is kind of my portfolio showcase or my video of awesomeness, right? So I'm Harold Shaw, and the reason I write automation architect or CRM automation architect and not CRM automation specialist is because the kind of jobs I did and the kind of projects I did, all of them were basically complete solutions. They were complete system builds. They were not like one of, hey, fix my automation, hey, do this, do that. It was actually start finish complete solutions, right? Now, if I share my screen right here, I have these mind maps of all the systems that I've built. This one right here is of a staffing company. The people, apply on Indeed. They go through a mail parser. It goes through the distribution system, and it gets handed off to the uh, people we distribute those to. Now, it can be the systems and solutions can be as simple as these, or they can be complicated. This is the snapshot. This is the system of a restaurant which had a loyalty program, and it was basically like 70% of the restaurant was automated, at least the management side of it, not the cooking side. It was automated where people would just come in, check in, they would get points and they would get rewards. And if they didn't check in after a certain amount of time, they would get promotions and everything. Hey, come in, get a free dish, get a sweet dish and everything. They would get 5 stars, 5 stars, 10 stars based off of what they did, and they could redeem those stars. Right. We have the legend all right here. It can be as complicated as this, which is the uh, system or solution we provided to a dental clinic. It had about 16 dentists, I believe, and 8 doctors. So everything in here that you see is green is hygienists. Everything that is blue is related to doctors, and everything that is gray is related to the management of the clinic. So it had like a automatic follow-up and everything process where for a hygienist, if you came in for like an appointment, it would like put them in a 6-month wait time. It would follow up with them saying, hey, your appointment's coming up and everything. All the doctors and hygienists had their own separate calendars of each and every type of service that they provided, and the management side had basically, this is kind of starting to lag my computer. It had basically all the routes and pathways that you would need for someone to inquire about the clinic or everything and all that. It had well, but when I built this, AI did not, it was like not all the rage as it is right now. So we had like automatic set responses to the questions in high level. It can be as complicated as this, which was basically an affiliate program for a company we did for, it was like a female specific company. Like she only recruited females. She only wanted to work with females and had like everything affiliate, right? It can be as complicated as the small ultimate small business snapshot, which is so hot right now in Extendly. Um, this is the mind map of uh, that snapshot that they uh, sell, as it's kind of a big thing on their end. And I've built all of this in Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator, if it lets me move it. We have everything right here, all the bits and parts of it, the Freedom Memo, the MPT file, and those are like just some examples. If I open my folder of all the projects, this is like one folder, and I have more folders like these. Right now, with all that, I think I think that would be enough to cover my portfolio showcase or my video awesomeness, um, if you'd like to call that. Now, I like to do this. I like to do system builds. I like to provide solutions. Did you know that the number pool in high level, it you cannot connect it to an IVR system in the automations? I recently just provided a solution for that, right? Did you know you cannot create a serial number within high level? And I'm talking strictly high level, no outside anything. I did that recently, which is, I feel proud of, providing solutions that are by default not available in high level. So yeah, I think that would be enough to cover some of it. Let me know what you guys think.